Want to clear your TikTok watch history and maintain your privacy? Here's how you can easily delete it in just a few steps. First, open the TikTok app on your phone. Tap on the profile icon located in the bottom right corner to access your profile. Then, tap on the three lines in the upper right corner to open the Settings and Privacy menu. Scroll down until you find the Activity Center. Open it and tap on the Watch History option. Here, you'll see all the videos you've watched. By tapping on Filter by Date, you can select the videos you want. I won't do that now, but I'll show you how to delete just one video. Long press on the video you want to delete, and in the pop-up window, select Delete. Finally, confirm by tapping Delete again. If you want to delete your entire watch history, tap on Select in the upper right corner. Then, select all watch history at the bottom of the screen and tap the Delete button. A pop-up window will appear, informing you that the deletion is permanent. If you agree, confirm by clicking Delete. And that's it. Your TikTok watch history is now cleared. If this video helped you, be sure to like and subscribe for more useful tips and tricks.